welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making honey glazed chicken wings. To start off, we need to prep the chicken. We need to dry it. It needs to be dry so that we can get the crisp. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So now that all my wings are cleaned and dry, I'll be transferring them into a bowl. So now I'll go ahead and then blend my spices, and after that we'll marinate the chicken for about an hour before we continue. So this is the mix or spices I'm going to be using for marinating the chicken wings. And guys, I bought ginger for 10 Ghana cedis. I almost cried. Ginger, they think 1 cedi, 2 cedi, 5 cedis. Oh, what do you mean it starts from 10 cedis? Anyways, I didn't have a choice, so I had to buy it. Last time I didn't buy it. I just left it. I just used garlic and onions. Oh, lest I forget, I need to add onions. I'll be right back. I forgot to add the onions, so I'm adding the onions now. Tell me why there's a chopping board but I'm using my hand. Nipa tia hojo so say nipa wa hota on pay. See, it's delaying my time. Charlie, I'll be back. I forgot to mention the spices I used. So I used rosemary, bay leaves, coriander, ginger, garlic, and yeah, onions. The other ones I don't know their names, so the small ones. The woman just makes them for me, so yeah. But you can also use spices of your choice. I'll be adding Maggi to it. Why do I keep saying Maggi? Onga. I'll be adding onga to it. Then I'll go ahead. Then I'll go ahead and add my oil. Onga now what watching tea. It is not free. So I take. Then I'm going with the oil. I hope I'm getting the angle right. I think it's okay. I'm going to mix it all up. Oh! My bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my mixture. I think this is enough. Should I add all or should I just it's okay. So I'll add salt to it. Actually, the is very important. So make sure every corner of the chicken is coated. Yeah, make sure every corner, every part is coated so that you get the taste on each chicken. So This is what we have now. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for about an hour. Then we start with the chiches. Clacky. So guys, it's been an hour since I placed the chicken wings in the fridge, so now it's time to fry. Initially I wanted to bake, but my oven, I haven't used it before and I have trust issues. It's the fire type, it's not the one that uses electricity and then the timer. So this one I need to gauge the fire. No, not today. I have an air fryer, but that one too, I've not used it before, so not today until I've mastered and learned it. Let me just take with the frying for today. So on low heat, I'm going to be frying it like on a medium or low heat. I think the oil is enough. Is the oil too much? If it's too much, I'll drain it after frying. The oil is ready now, so I'll go ahead and add the wings to the fire. This is my wooden ladle there. All around now. I'm turning them so that the other side can also. This is my first time making anything with chicken wings. It's even my first time buying chicken wings. I knew it was going to be expensive, but I mean it's not different from the normal chicken I've been buying. It was 50 cedis for a kilo. So this is the state of the wings now. I'll be taking them out soon. Then I'll start with the sauce, the honey glazed sauce. I wanted to make barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce, but I didn't get barbecue at the mall yesterday, so I'm going to replace that with ketchup. Why is turning this thing so hard? Hey, yeah, my bill. So I'm taking them out now. So now I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I didn't clean or change the sauce one because I need the chicken base or whatever it's called. And I'm not saying oil, no, I need it. And I'm leaving the sauce. Yeah, so this is it. We started with the sauce. So I first went in with the butter or margarine, whichever one you have. Guys, pray for me because I do not like honey. The honey is too. I do not like it. Mempe or back so I do not like honey at all. Honey doesn't sound right. I do not like honey at all. But for the purpose of myself and this video, I think it's not enough. Let me add more. Is it me or it's not thick? I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. Then lastly, my ketchup. Wow. Hey. My chicken, yeah, sharing. Look at what I'm doing. I want to do something new, make something new. Let me taste this. It's not bad. I just don't like the taste of the soy sauce. So let me add more pepper. So my sauce is ready now. So I'll go ahead and add my chicken to it. So I'm going to cover this for like 10 minutes or something, and then I'll cook on low heat. This is how the rings are looking now. They are ready, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the fire. Are they not looking pretty? They look so pretty. And I know it's going to taste so good. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the fire now.